Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Seth. I hope you enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Hello, Seth. Cheers to you on your special day. Wishing you all the best, good health, more blessings, and endless happiness. Happy birthday!
Hi Seth! Happy birthday! Don't stop chasing your dreams and always be happy. Yay!
Hi Seth! Happy birthday! Kahit wala ka dito, hindi ka naalis sa puso ni Tita Sel. Ingat ka palagi at lagi ka susunod kay Mommy ha. Love you!
Hi Seth, this is your Ninang Jamie. I'm not sure if you remember me. The last time that we saw each other was actually 15 years ago. I believe you were 13 at that time. That was September 2009. Who I saw was a shy and kind kid. I think we didn't say anything to each other, but all I know was that you were just so happy to be with your mom. And look at you now. I only hear good things about you from your mom. That you are still the kind soul that I know, but now you have gone out of your shell. You've become an entrepreneurial, creative, and responsible man. I'm proud of you. I leave you with a blessing from the Bible. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Happy birthday, Seth. Bye.
Birthday, Kuya Sen. Happy birthday, Kuya Sen. Happy birthday, Kuya Sen. Happy birthday, Kuya Sen. A blow a kiss.
Happy birthday po,
Happy
Kuya
birthday,
Sen.
Kuya Sen. Happy birthday, Kuya Sen. Happy birthday, Kuya Sen. Happy birthday, Kuya Sen.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Seth. Kahit di pa tayo nagkikita in person, I've heard a lot of great things about you na from your mother. I'm looking forward to meeting you in the future and hopefully you teaching me how to drive and park.
Hi! Just dropping by to say happy birthday, dear Seti, and hugs, of course. May your day be filled with your favorite things. May you feel extra cherished and extra loved and extra of everything. So, seize the day and continue to face life as you do. Headstrong, resilient, and capture every moment. Bye! Happy birthday! All the best!
What's the tweet? Happy birthday, Apo!
Well,
Go for it.
happy birthday, Apo.
Happy birthday to you.
We love you.
Love you very much.
Yeah,
You
so
go out and have fun with your drone today.
have fun and we love you. Remember that always.
Yeah. Have a great day.
Love you.
Love you.
Seti.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Happy birthday to my handsome son. Daddy is very proud sa'yo sa mga na-achieve mo. And kahit wala man ako dyan, physically sa tabi mo, you became a good man. Sa mga wish mo ngayong birthday mo, sana lahat matupad. And always take care of your mom. Okay? I wish you a happy birthday. Be a good man always. Love you, son.